All right, we got the YiKatoo pipe deletes installed. As you can see, mufflers are gone. Let's do a startup. Definitely sounds more like a Hemi now. What's up, Mopar fam? I hope everybody's having a blessed day out there. Today, we are working on Project Zorro. That is the 2014 Dodge Challenger RT Plus that I just bought a couple weeks ago. We don't even have a tag on the car yet. Hacking stuff off the car. What we have here is some brand new YiKatoo muffler delete pipes. These are going to delete the factory mufflers that is on Zorro. This is a awesome delete kit. You get 2 pipes, and the pipes are honestly, these are very good quality pipes. They are nice and clean. They're very thick. I mean, it's not chintzy pipe. It's as good or better than the factory piping. You get 4 clamps, and you also get some instructions. Pretty cool, and they are very specific, pretty detailed. So it tells you pretty much where you need to mark, what you need to cut to get this done. Very simple, not much to it. And the best part about this is at the very end, step number 12, remove from jack stand, start car, and do frickin' burnouts. So we're definitely going to do that. And we are doing this on the ground, old school, on some car ramps. That's it. So I was going to hold off and try to do this down at my buddy's shop where we got the lift, but I couldn't wait. We had to do it. Got my son here with the favorite tool. So get under that car, cut out them stupid mufflers so that we can finally hear this Hemi actually sound like a Hemi. Plus, you fit under there much better than me. I'm too fat for this stuff. Yeah.
Get it back in.
All right, we got the YiKatoo pipe deletes installed. As you can see, mufflers are gone. Let's do a startup. Definitely sounds more like a Hemi now. So this is with the YiKatoo muffler delete, but we still have the factory rear resonators on the car with catalytic converters. One more time. So there you go, Mopar fam. That's the YiKatoo muffler delete kit for the Challengers. Now, they have other stuff on there as well, but that is the best bang for the buck for a delete kit you're going to find. $100. That's cheaper than everybody else out there, and the pipes fit perfectly. Went right on there, no problem at all, and they sound fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more stuff coming on Zorro, and as always, stay safe out there. We'll see you guys on the next one.